Alright guys, today I'm just showing you how to remove this Toyota Yaris. It's a 2018. It's a driver door panel removal. So first things first, you need a flat and then a flat Phillips and a regular Phillips screwdriver. So you come down to your tools. So what you need, guys, is this two tools. You need a regular Phillips and then a flat Phillips. So first things first, you use your Phillips. You come to the door panel. You come to the side. There's this thing to the side here. So you just look from the side. You just pry this like this, and when this comes out of the way, you can just take it out like this completely. It comes out like that. Once it is out of the way, you just come to the door opening latch right here. So what you do, you open like this with one hand, and then with the other hand you just press inside here. You press like that, guys. This side pops out, and once this pops out, you just pull it like this. You just pull out, you just take it out like this, so it will just pop out from there. You just release like that. You put that on a safe place. So inside there, guys, is a Phillips. So you just use your Phillips to get this out. So once you get your Phillips out, so what you do, so another thing you do, guys, is when you have to remove this is the window switch. So what you do, you just come down here, you just hold this thing right here, you just pry some space here. You can use a flat Phillips. You can use a flat Phillips to just get it out of the way like that. Once you get that hole like that, you just pull it like this. This thing comes out like this. Is how you remove your window switch for the Yaris. Once you get it out the way like this, guys, this is what's in the back. You can just disconnect. Just press here, just like that. It comes out. And then this right here, guys, you just pull like that, and just like that, guys, your window switch this is out. So to put it back, guys, you just need to snap it back. You just start from here on top right here. You put it back like that, and then you just you push it all the way in, and then it snaps in. So right, guys, you put that one on the side. So one last thing, we have one bolt right here which you have to remove before the door panel comes out. So you come right here, is the Phillips. Just like that, when this thing comes out and this Phillips comes out, guys, so this door panel can come out. So use your flat Phillips. You just run it across like right here. Just run it across down here, and then you pry it out. So guys, if you have a plastic pry, I really encourage you to use that. Don't use this will just mess up your paint. So but I don't have the plastic pry right now, so I might just end up using this one right here. So I just put it like that on the corner, and then you just use a little bit of force, just like that. Then once it gives you space, you can just leave this. You can just use your hand like that, and then just right here, guys. You just use force. You just push straight up like that. It just pops out from here. You just keep doing that. Just pop out from the way, and you come in here too. once this comes in, so you open these two stuff. The first one is you just pull that from there. This thing should just come out without a problem. Second one is you just pull it out the same way. You just pull it out like that, and then it just snap like this, comes out like this. So just like that, guys, your panel just comes out, and you just have your panel outside here. Alright, we're good to go. So to put it back, you do the same in reverse. Alright, so I hope this video really helps you out. See you in the next